Karaoke tayo sa Kazakhstan! Wala naman mga pausok. Sarado na? Hindi nga. Charot! Char. Sa Billionaire Karaoke Club ang pupunta. Billion Kitchen. Boarding na tayo. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today we are starting a new travel story. New place, culture, and experiences. Couple of hours before our flight and I'm still packing. I'm traveling with friends and I'm sure it'll be fun, so let's go! So, nandito na kami sa Abu Dhabi Airport, sa Zayed International Airport. Guys, we have just arrived.
Great success.
Ito yung bus na sinakyan namin. It's from Dubai, papunta ng Abu Dhabi Airport. Umalis kami kanina sa Dubai ng 5 a.m. And we got here at exactly 6:10 in the morning. 1 hour and 10 minutes lang yung binahe namin. And then nagbayad lang kami ng 35 dirham sa bus tickets. Di masyadong marami yung tao. Siguro parang mga nasa 12 na tao lang halos yung nakasakay kanina. Guys, where are we going? We're going to Almaty! Frandy, you go first. Yan, si Frandy maglalakad siya dun sa may glass window, glass ceiling. Katakot! Ayun yung mga tao, guys. Kitang-kita na natin yung mga tao sa ilalim mo. Wala ka, si Lara pa. Yan pa si Lara. Oh, siya din daw. Sige. Gora tayo, guys. Wait lang. Katako. Ay! Makapal naman siguro to, no? Lalakad tayo sa may ceiling ng airport. Tapos may salamin. Ayan na, we survive. Mikey! So, this is the airport, guys. Is nag-book tayo via Air Arabia. And nandito tayo sa loob ng airport. Punta lang tayo dun sa my counter for the check-in. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-online check-in. Para at least tabi-tabi kami ng upuan. Hi, morning! So, ayan na, guys. Air Arabia. Happy, Frandy, are you excited na to our Kazakhstan? May pa-snow. Mag-ski tayo, right?
Wonderland.
Yes. Nakapila na kami. Mikey is very busy.
Yeah. Kasi ako ng car.
You're excited, Mikey?
Yes, looking forward. Yeah.
Yung flight namin is at 9:20 pa. And it's only 6:45. So, mahaba-haba pa yung oras namin. Excited! Social ng friend ko. Ganda ng bagelya, oh. Oh. Wow, ang ganda ng nails. Tapos yung bagelya niya ay, wow, Hermes. Ganda-ganda ni Madam Lara, oh. Shala-shala. And so, nasa duty free na tayo. Tingin-tingin lang muna Tom Ford. Lipstick pala to. Tom Ford, guys. Si Madam Lara, nagka-canvas na naman ang bibilin. Let's go na, kuya. Thank you po. Ayan, punta tayo ng Pearl Lounge, guys. Kain muna tayo. Sabi sa counter kanina, delayed daw yung flight namin ng 1 hour. So, instead of 9:20, so mga 10:20, 10:30 na siguro kami makakaalis ng airport. Papunta na tayo ng boarding gate. So, nasa dulo yung gate namin. A9, meron namang walkalator. So, lakad-lakad lang muna tayo. Ito na yung waiting area. Dito na tayo mag-antay. Boarding na tayo. 25K. Fairness, first time natin sa may Air Arabia. And maayos yung mga seats. Yeah, so we're looking for 25A. Sa dulo tayo banda.
بشكل طبيعي وتذكر
We've just landed dito sa may Almaty, Kazakhstan. I'm so excited, guys. So medyo tawag dito ma-foggy. And I think it's super cold outside. Almaty Airport. Now, nandito na tayo. We're waiting for our baggage. So this is their duty free. Merong exchange house. And then sa labas lang is yung mga SIM card stations na pwede kayong bumili. Merong 5G Kcell, Beeline, at saka yung Altel. At saka eto, pwede nyo bilhin to. Ayan, libre lang yan. Guys, pag dumating na kayo dito sa airport, so meron mga ATMs, ayan, na kami nag-withdraw. Kasi meron na kaming, nagpapalit na kami ng Kazakhstan tenge sa Dubai. Ayan, Paskong-Pasko na sila. Eto na guys, nalabas na tayo. Hindi pa, sakto lang yung lamig guys, hindi naman super, as in lamig-lamig. Walay naman mga pausok.
Mag-book ka na.
Ito na, mag-book na kami ng Yandex Go. Ito yung waiting line ng taxi. Pero for us, nag-book kami ng Yandex Go. Inantay lang namin, 5 minutes pa yung taxi namin. So it's only 5 p.m. here in Almaty and madilim na siya oh. Nagulat ako paglabas namin, kala ko gabing-gabi na, alas 5 lang pala. There's 1 hour difference from Dubai. So it's like 4 p.m. na sa Dubai and then it's Almaty, it's 5 p.m. Sakay na kami ng taxi na binook namin. It's 30 minutes drive, pupunta dun sa may Airbnb. And then we paid only around 40 dirhams. Or that's around 6,000 or 7,000 tenge. Ito yung Airbnb namin. Sa 15th floor daw kami guys. Look at this. Oh, Paskong-Pasko na sila dito guys. May mga pa-decorations na. And then meron mga pang-exercise. May mini park. Na yung room namin. So, see? No smoking or vaping. Ayan, we're here na. Hello! Ayan, so Frandy will give us a tour ating Airbnb and that's Mikey. So, we're gonna start.
The owner of the flat is here in Almaty, Michael Carr.
Michael Peter Carr. Ano, saan tayo unang pupunta?
1 billion.
Wow! So guys, itong Airbnb, it's a 3-bedroom apartment.
Yeah, and this is the caretaker of the
Caretaker.
apartment.
Lahat ng spots ng bahay, guys, may views.
It would be better in the morning.
Oh,
This
oh.
chair is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
So-
you can do mic here?
Yeah.
What is this, Laura?
No, like
Ayan.
massage.
Oh yeah. We can have coffee there, but
And
it's the
we can
first.
cook sinigang.
Oh, guys, meron silang, ako na nga, makalikot na nga ako, guys. So, ay, ito yung kusina.
Oh, there's so much.
Ito, meron silang toaster, tapos may oven,
So I think I'll get
may microwave oven, and then mga cupboards. Ayan. Tapos may cooking range. Oh, ito, may water heater na siya, tapos may mga complementary na mga coffee and tea. Ayan. Tapos meron din siyang mga kaserola. So, ayan, since Airbnb siya, may mga kaserola na siya. So, pwede kayo magluto kapag ka mga grupo kayo. Let's check pa. May dishwasher. So, hindi natin ito gagamitin kasi kamay-kamay lang tayo, alam nyo yan. Ayan. Kala ko rice cooker, Api. I thought rice cooker. Naloka na. Kala ko rice cooker. Diba? Ayan, ito yung sink. And what's in there, Api? So, merong fridge. Ayan, walang laman.
for sinigang. Ayun yung pork na.
Ayan. Tapos ito pwede kayo magtago-taguan dito. Ayan, magtago-taguan kayo dyan. Sige, tayo ka, Pi.
Sarado.
Ayan. Kunyari hanapin kita. Ano, yung ref walang laman. Mag-grocery tayo. Ay! Charot! Char.
Ingay-ingay ng Apple Watch.
Tapos ito merong lounge area. Ang laki ng sofa. May divider, napakalaki. Tapos TV guys, may TV. Sa toilet, as usual, meron tayong sink, mirror guys. And then yung shower. may bathtub. Mga towels. Tapos, meron ditong cleaning materials. Vacuum. Ano to? Plansyahan. Dito yung ironing board. Ayan. Meron dito ang washing machine at saka dryer. Kahit konti lang yung mga gamit na dala nyo, yung mga damit nyo, pwede kayo maglaba. Diba? Kita ko sa inyo yung kwarto. So, this is the first room. Ito yung bed. Malaki siya. Carpeted. Ayan, may lamesa dito if you want to work. And may mga cabinets. Tapos, eto may bintana guys. So, maganda yung view. Let's try to open. There. Ganda guys. Ayan yung buwan. Welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan. Later guys, so after namin ng mga gamit namin, pupunta kami somewhere doon sa may mga pailaw na yon para mga night market something. So siguro doon kami banda magdi-dinner. Ayan, for sure ang ganda nito sa umaga. Yun nga lang guys, wala nang snow. Wala nang snow. Ayan, pero ang ganda. I'm so excited for tomorrow guys. Ito sa inyo guys yung kabilang kwarto. Ay, eto pala yung mga saksakan nila. Ayan, yung parang may dalawang bilog. Fairness naman sa may Airbnb na to, it's a 3-bedroom apartment and then halos lahat ng areas ng bahay. Marami siyang mga saksakan. And then eto na yung room nila Lara at saka nila Appy. Ayan, nag-iimpake na sila. Ay! Eto na si Madam Lara. Nako. There's anong tawag sa kanya? Sampayan. Walk-in closet. Ayan. O, diba? Ang shala ng bed nilang dalawa, oh. Yes, parang babaihin yung bed nila. Bininyagan mo na ba tong toilet, Lara? Nabinyagan na ni Lara yung toilet. So, ito yung toilet nila. O, yun yung shower. Bedroom. Yes. Tapos, meron ganito kung gusto mo mag-work. Ayan. Ang daming cabinet. And thank you, Abby. And then, yung kwarto nila meron pa crib.
I don't know.
So, it's really good for family, no? Yung may mga baby dyan, so pwede dito kasi meron silang libreng crib. Pack muna tayo. Kasi after this, lalabas tayo para mag-dinner at saka mag-ikot-ikot sa labas. So na, binacuum natin yung mga jackets at saka yung mga clothes namin guys kasi para at least medyo nag-save ng space sa maleta. Which is really good. First time ko mag-ganto, mag-vacuum ng mga damit. Kasi napaka-bulky niya. Kasi since winter dito guys, so mostly ng mga dala namin mga damit is really for winter. Mga trench coat or mga cardigans, mga jackets, hoodies. Ayan, at least nagkasya siya dito sa isang plastic bag na to. Christmas na guys! Guys, magdi-dinner na tayo. Dito tayo sa Billionaire Karaoke Club. Entrecot. Ayan. Dito tayo. Entrecot. I've seen this restaurant sa one of the vloggers. And tignan natin kung totoo nga ang chismis. Titignan natin kung totoo ang chismis. Kung talagang masarap ang food. Baka dito natin i-try ang horse meat. Sarado na? Hindi nga. Seryoso?
Oo. This close?
Guys, it's closed. Ano ba naman yan? Ano ba naman yan? Sarado guys. Ito may mga paskiel. Oh my gosh. Excited pa naman kami mag-dinner. Ano ba yan?
Actually, yung nakalagay sa ano, open.
Labas na tayo. Let's look for another one outside. Somewhere close.
Can we search in here?
Guys, they're sarado. Let's stay outside, Mikey.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan? Excited ba naman kami? Kala ko pa naman dito na tayo makakatry ng ating horse meat. Ano ba yan? Ang sad.
Well, doesn't it? I bet in the summertime, everyone's sat outside, don't they? Drinking.
Sarap tayo ng bagong restaurant. Yung malapit-lapit na lang.
Does it open later?
No, they have a boat, so I think it's really close.
Maybe renovation or
No,
something.
because they found
Ito tayo, pasta. Magpasta na lang daw tayo. Ano ba yan?
maganda.
So guys,
Maganda, it's beautiful. Man.
nawala tayo sa
Maganda.
planned
Ano ba yan?
restaurant.
Pinaglakad nila tayo. Lakad-lakad na lang daw.
We'll try to find something.
Are you hungry, Ape?
I'm super hungry. I'm famished.
Famished. Spell. Spell mo nga.
F-A-M-I-C-H.
Ulit-ulit, di ka narinig, Char. Very nice spelling.
Video ka nga ako.
Sige, go. Ganda. Sige, takbo mo pa. This is Bebe Api. Ay. Tingnan natin yung mga restaurant sa gilid-gilid. Patakbo-takbo ka. Ayun na, naglaro na ang bata. Nanakbo daw siya. Lamig!
Yeah, we can see it.
Yung monster. Isa pa nga, isa pa nga.
Abaho.
Walang himala!
Walang himala! Walang himala!
Hi guys. We're now on our way to the second restaurant. This is our horse.
The most beautiful unicorn you'll ever see.
Are you Tita Joshi?
I'm okay. Yeah, ready for tomorrow. For the
We're gonna be
tour.
up
Yeah, for the
early
tour.
morning just for the
4:30.
tour.
We're having dinner now at Shavlego. So this is a Georgian restaurant, and we ordered a bottle of dry wine, and then this is the traditional Georgian salad, and then ano to, carcho?
Carcho soup.
Yan, carcho kasi na-miss ni Lara yung soup, yung beef soup sa May, Georgia. Ito yung tinry namin sa Tbilisi last time. Yung nag-Tbilisi kami. Basically, rice, and then meron siyang beef soup. Tomato yata to. Tomato soup. And then ito yung beef. So, meron tayong kinkali, and then chicken with garlic sauce. And then yung uchakuri.
Light it and then you take the soup.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys! So our first day, first night in Almaty. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Go, go!
Karaoke tayo sa Kazakhstan! And before we ended our first night in Kazakhstan, we met a group of locals and we went to a karaoke bar. Of course, we are Filipinos, so we can say no. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!